Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with the Arrow Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be talking about psychogeometry. So, an introduction to psychogeometry, we are going to be talking about terminologies used in psychogeometry. We have a cycle on the board, and we have some labeled parts of the cycle. So, let's try to learn this together. So, we can say here, we have circumference. The circumference is the distance around the outside of a cycle. So, all the distance around the outside of a cycle is regarded as the circumference of a cycle. And also, we can see this is the center of the cycle, and we have a line from this center to this end. This is regarded as the radius. The radius is a line from the center of the cycle to the edge of the cycle. So, this is the radius. Then here we have a cycle. Then we have a line that passes through the center of the cycle from one point to another point. This is regarded as the diameter. So the diameter of a cycle is a line from one end to another end, and it passes through the center. Then here we have an arc. An arc is part of the circumference. We just learned that the circumference is the distance around a cycle. So an arc is part of the circumference. This is an arc, this is an arc, this is an arc. An arc is part of the circumference. Then we have tangent. A tangent is a straight line that touches the cycle. So this is a tangent. Then here we have a chord. A chord is a straight line from one point in the cycle to the other point in a cycle. Now the difference between a point and a diameter is that a diameter is a type of chord that passes through the center of the cycle. So a diameter is a type of chord that passes through the center of the cycle. Then we have a segment. A segment is the space between a chord and the arc of a cycle. So we can see here is an arc, here is an arc, here is an arc, and this is a chord. So this is the segment. The space between the chord and the arc of a cycle is called a segment. Then we also have a sector. A sector is the part of the cycle that is shaped like a slice of a pie. So here you can see, this is shaped like the slice of a pie. So this is a sector. So in the next class, you are going to actually solve some examples based on these terminologies we have learned. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.